So we'll get started and we'll see how the first one goes, and it'll be Professional Service Provider of the Year.
And on the shortlist we have...
Oh, wait a second. Mike, can you read out who's going to come and pick this award, or who's going to give out this award?
Hey, absolutely, Craig. The first for Professional Service Provider, this will be handed out by Anya Kapczak from Deutsche Bank.
So Anya, come join us on stage, and Agatha,
in the meantime, I will read yes, the nominees. CAPS, first title, Multi-Decor, MK Illumination, Online Real Assets, Retail Institute, Tara Consulting, We Are Pop-Up.
So Anya, welcome, and thank you for helping us hand out this award tonight.
Thank you, and good evening, everyone. Dobry wieczór. So the winner is MK Illumination. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. Humanity's rising. The runners getting low.
Welcome, congratulations. Hey, behave yourself over there. So, congratulations, welcome to the stage. Please feel free to say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for this award and for voting last night. It's a really great pleasure for us to win this award second year in a row. So, and we're really happy to meet you during the Christmas time when we provide all our designs and our project. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again, and enjoy the evening. Come over here for some photos.